Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Ngayon ay i-prepare natin yung gagawin nating green pickled tomatoes. Ito ngayon, hihiwain natin ito at maghihiwa rin tayo ng sibuyas. Okay guys, umpisahan natin. Maghiwa tayo ng ating tomatoes. Ito guys, yung aming naani na mga kamatis sa aming garden. I-slice natin and then imamarinate natin overnight guys. Asin lang. And then bukas ay gagawa tayo ng pang-pickle natin. Sa atin sa Pilipinas guys, ang daming kamatis. Kaya ito, madali lang gawin ito. Okay guys, this is now our sliced green tomato and sliced cooking onion, white onion guys. For every 9 cups of green tomato, we will put 4.5 cups of onion, okay? And we will put 9 cups of tomatoes. Okay. 1. Put 5. And we put onion. We'll put 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. Okay, guys. 2 tablespoons of salt. Okay guys, we will leave this overnight. Okay guys, we will transfer here and we will leave it overnight. Leave it overnight guys. Okay, you measure again 9 cups. 1, 9. We will put 4 tablespoons because for every layer we will put 2, but we'll just mix it and we will mix the onion, cooking onion. Okay guys, We'll leave this overnight. 4 measures, okay, for 9 cups of green tomatoes. Okay. We'll leave this, guys, overnight. And tomorrow we will cook the marinade and we will marinate this sweet pickled tomato. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Ayan na guys yung ating ipipickled. Yan. Ito. At saka ayan guys. We leave it overnight. There. At ito naman yung ating beets na na-harvest kahapon. Marami pa sa fridge guys. Ito lang yung kasi parang nalanta dahil iniwan namin sa garage kagabi, kahapon. And now, ginawa ko, nilagay ko sa tubig. Kanina, I leave it. At ito, oh. Ang ganda na.
Okay, we'll put the water. Pakukulaan natin ito, guys.
Yeah, let's
We'll boil.
sterilize.
Well, we will sterilize the bottle, the container, or the jar. Okay. Guys, my lab is washing this bottle container. Okay. She's washing with a little bit warm water and some detergent, dishwashing soap. And later on, she will sterilize this with this boiling water. Okay, these are the container, guys. Yeah, you see that? Okay, we'll come back once we are doing the actual sterilization. Okay. Alright, let us submerge itong container. Ilulubog lang natin guys, ano, ganyan lang. Yan. Okay, yan po. Isasalansan lang doon. Kung hindi magkasya, bali dalawang bats. No? Alright, so ganyan lang. Pakukulan pa niya ulit yan.
We'll boil it for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, yan. To make sure that there's no any, so we will be posting this again. Di ba, lab?
Yeah.
Alright. Pwede na, ano?
We'll steam for 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes, guys.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll just open it.
Alright, 10 minutes have passed. And we have to remove this.
Okay guys, let's make the brine solution for the green pickled tomato. For every 1 measure, for every 9 cups of green tomato, we will put 3 cups of vinegar and 3 cups of sugar.
White vinegar.
Yeah, this 5%. As long as you have 5%, you can use apple cider. As long it's 5% vinegar, okay? 1. This is for
4 sets.
yeah, 4 sets.
9 ba? 9 cups into 3?
Yeah, 9 cups. For every 9 cups of
36.
yeah, for every 9 cups of
Sliced green tomato, 3 cups.
3 cups of vinegar.
That's 12, so times 4, 36. 9 times 4, 36 cups. 36 cups
yeah.
of slice. Okay, so we have 36 cups there.
So we will put 12 cups of sugar also. 12. Okay, 12 cups of sugar, and we will put mustard seed, 1/2 teaspoon for every 9 cups of green tomato. Now we will put 2 teaspoon of mustard seed. For every recipe, that is 9 cups of green tomato, we will put 1/2 teaspoon. And I have 4 recipe here, so I'll just put 2 teaspoon of mustard seed. And this celery seed, for every recipe, we will put 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon for every recipe. So this is 4 recipes, so we'll put 4. 1, 4. The ground turmeric, for every recipe, we will put 1/2 teaspoon also. So this is 4 recipe, we will put 2 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Let's boil this later after we finish all the bottles. Let's boil this.
Okay guys, we will boil this mixture of the celery, mustard seed and sugar and turmeric.
Turmeric and
of course water.
Vinegar.
Water. Vinegar, yes. Vinegar, celery, turmeric, and the mustard seed. Yeah, we'll let it boil for a few minutes. Okay. While on heat, keep on stirring the pot. Okay. To avoid burning the seeds because it might settle.
It's now ready. So we can put now in the sliced green tomato.
To put this marinated
Green tomatoes.
green tomato into this jar, okay? And then later on we will pour the mixture that we are currently boiling.
Okay guys, here are now the green tomatoes that I put in a bottle. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16 bottles, but it's not the same size of bottles. This one is very big, and these 4 pieces are smaller. They are small bottles, so we can put now the brine solution.